Sunlight is necessary for many aspects of life, from fostering the growth of plants and food to keeping people warm. In addition, there is growing evidence to support the many health benefits of sunlight, which are enjoyed by many people. People are now more cautious about spending time in the sun as a result of a general awareness that excessive sun exposure might result in skin cancer. But just as it's critical to safeguard against excessive sun exposure, people should also make sure they get enough of it to reap its health benefits. Maintaining optimal vitamin D levels and taking advantage of a sunny day's advantages for mental health can be accomplished by finding the correct balance. The beginning of the body's process of creating vitamin D may be the most well-known of all the health advantages of sunlight. Vitamin D3 is created on human skin when UVB rays interact with the 7-DHC protein there. Although vitamin D can be obtained through diet and supplements, sunshine is a significant source of this vital mineral. Important biological functions in the body depend on vitamin D. Its advantages include dependable source, fostering strong bones, control of calcium levels, lowering inflammation, boosting immunological function, and promoting glucose metabolism. According to research, exposure to the sun is associated with lower blood pressure and a lower risk of dying from cardiovascular diseases. They claim that the skin releases chemicals when exposed to sunlight. Many people find days without sunshine trying, but some people find it more difficult than others to go without the benefits of sunlight on their mental health. According to a dependable source like the National Institute of Mental Health, the following traits increase a person's chance of getting depression and SAD. Having a family history of depression, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, anxiety, or other mental problems, in addition to having a family member who has suffered SAD. Residing a great distance from the equator. A particular kind of depression is SAD. When the days become shorter, the symptoms appear or get worse, and when the days get longer, the symptoms get better. This means that in the Northern Hemisphere, January and February will be when SAD sufferers would have the worst symptoms, says researchers. The sun exposure causes the body to create vitamin D. Vitamin D is also included in a lot of foods and supplements. The vitamin is crucial for healthy bones, teeth, and immune system function. Calcium deficiency disease and hyperparathyroidism, a hormonal imbalance that elevates the blood calcium levels, can both be brought on by vitamin D insufficiency. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.